Good day. Welcome to Teacher Ariel TV. Today, you are going to learn about dividing one digit by one digit number. Division is the process of splitting a number into equal parts and finding out how many parts can be made. Let's look at the number sentence. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. The number 8 here is what we call the dividend. The dividend is the number that is going to be divided. The symbol for division is this. It is called the division symbol. The number 2 here is what we call the divisor. The divisor is the number that the dividend is divided by. The number 4 here is what we call the quotient. The quotient is the result of the division problem. Now let's get started. Let's answer this. 6 divided by 2. Find the quotient. Let's divide using pictures. 6 hearts divided by 2. So 6 hearts, we need to divide 2 equal groups. So, the answer is 3 hearts in each group. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Another solution. 6 divided by 2. How many 2 will it take to make 6? We will recall the multiplication table of 2 to help you divide faster. We will use 2 times 3 equals 6. So, 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Another example. 8 divided by 4. So, let's divide using pictures. 8 stars divided by 4 groups. 8 stars, we need to divide 4 equal groups. So, the answer is 2 stars in each group. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Another solution. 8 divided by 4. How many 4 will it take to make 8? We will recall the multiplication table of 4 to help you divide faster. Now, we will use 4 times 2 equals 8. So, 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Another example, 9 divided by 3. Let's divide using pictures. 9 cans divided by 3 groups. 9 cans, we need to divide 3 equal groups. So, the answer is 3 cans in each group. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Another solution. 9 divided by 3. How many 3 will it take to make 9? We will recall the multiplication table of 3 to help you divide faster. We will use 3 times 3 equals 9. So, 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Quiz time! Let's answer this. You only have 10 seconds to answer. 3 divided by 3. Let's start now. Time's up. The answer is 1. 4 divided by 2. Time's up. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 5 divided by 1. Time's up. The answer is 5. 6 divided by 3. Time's up. The answer is 2. 7 divided by 7. Time's up. The answer is 1. 8 divided by 4. Time's up. The answer is 2. 2 divided by 2. Time's up. The answer is 1. 9 divided by 3. Time's up. The answer is 3. 6 divided by 2. Time's up. The answer is 3. 7 divided by 1. Time's up. The answer is 7. 8 divided by 2. Time's up. The answer is 4. That's all for now. I hope you enjoy learning about dividing one digit by one digit number. Thanks for watching.